How to combine groups in WhatsApp. So if you want to combine groups in WhatsApp, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open up your WhatsApp, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and you need to go with communities, or you just need to simply go with the bottom and then tap on communities, which is on the bottom third option. And under communities, now you just need to simply go and start your community and tap on get started. And then you need to enter a community name. So I'll be choosing demo, and then you need to simply go with the arrow, which is on the bottom right, and start creating your community. Once you've created your community, now you just need to simply go with add group, which is on the bottom, and you can simply choose any groups that you're comfortable with. So tap on add existing groups, and here you will have all of your groups, so you can simply tap on 2 or more groups that you would like to add. Make sure that you are the admin of that group. So you just need to simply select the groups and then go with the arrow, which is on the bottom right, and tap on add to community and tap on OK. That's it. That's how you can combine groups in your WhatsApp. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.